Are you looking for a free keyword research tool? When I say free, I mean 100% completely free. We all know keyword research is important, but there's so many keyword research tools out there, and more so, they're not free. So in this video, I will share my top list of free keyword research tools so that you can use them for your blog, content project, and a lot more. But before I start, I just want to make it really clear what defines a free tool to me. Unlimited usage, which means there's no limitation on how many requests that you can make in order to get the search data. If this also fits your criteria, keep watching. Hey, what's up my friend? It's Grace. I'm a digital growth strategist. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I appreciate you hitting the subscribe button now so that you won't miss any content like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first one, Ahrefs Keyword Tool. This is a highly underrated free keyword tool. Everyone thinks Ahrefs only offer paid subscription, which is probably true, and the paid version is really powerful. Now go to ahrefs.com/keyword generator, or you can find the link directly on its homepage footer. Click Keyword Generator. You can see different types: Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. You can select the one you want to get keyword data from. For example, for Google search, let's say type in AI writing. Select the country, let's say United States. Click Find Keywords. Now you will get the search volume for the first top 100 keywords ideas, including your seed keywords, starting from the top search keywords. The best thing about it is you also get the Google search keyword difficulty score for some of the keywords, so you can determine if this is a good keyword to target. Another great thing is, if your keyword is broad enough, you can also get the top question asked with search volume and keyword difficulty, which is super helpful when you need more blog article ideas that can rank. There's no export function, but if you want, you can select them and paste directly on your spreadsheet. See, it's that simple. So Ahrefs Keyword Tool is definitely one of my favorite and which you want to bookmark. The second one, Google Keyword Planner. It's literally a keyword research tool to find keywords for your Google Ads campaign, but it definitely can give you insights on the organic search demand for a keyword and its related search on Google. And the best thing about it is that it's developed by Google, so the search data is accurate, you can trust it, and it's completely free and has no limited usage. All you need is just a Google Ad account and you can get started. You can go to Google Ads homepage to create your Google Ads account. Once you're on Google Keyword Planner, click Discover New Keywords. This option will show you the search volume for your keyword and all its related keywords to expand your idea. Type in your keyword, for example, AI writing. Select your target country, say United States. Click Get Results. Now you'll get a bunch of keywords, your seed keywords, and all the related keywords, and a range of average search volume. You can sort the list to rank the top search keywords based on search volume. The only downside of it is if your ad account doesn't have any active or historical PPC campaigns, it only shows you a range of average monthly search volume instead of exact search volume. It's by default because Google wants you to place ads, right? So I have a workaround to get the exact search volume, which I will show you in a second. But before I show you, I just want to mention about the competition column. It refers to how many advertisers are bidding for this keyword on Google Ads, so it doesn't directly translate to how difficult it is to rank for this keyword organically. So you will need another tool to check the keyword difficulty for organic search, which I will also cover later in this video, so keep watching. So let's continue our workaround to get the exact search volume from Google Keyword Planner. It's our third tool, the WordStream Keyword Tool. It's a great tool if you want to get an accurate search data because its data is sourced from the Google Keyword Research API. So it's the same data that you will get on Google Keyword Planner, and it's just another alternative. It's also used to provide Bing search data, but now you can only pull the Google data. Go to wordstream.com/keywords. You can also find the link on its homepage under Free Tools, Free Keyword Tool. For this tool, you can just enter a seed keyword or a website URL to get the keyword suggestions. Now type back the keywords that we use, AI writing. Note for this tool, you can only select the United States. Now you will get the top 25 keywords with search volume data pulled from the Google Keyword Planner. For the page bid and competition is for Google Ads and you can ignore it. If you want the full list, you can click download and type your email address and it will be sent to your mailbox. Although I must say, I have tried the email sending, but it took a really long time to get it sent. So I end up creating an account and you will get the CSV download link on the dashboard. So this is a full list with all the same keyword data that you can get from Google Keyword Planner, and it's a great tool for you to streamline the keyword research process. So if you want to unlock all the data from Google Keyword Planner, this is another great tool to bookmark. The next one, SEMRush Keyword Magic Tool, is a great tool offered by SEMRush where you can find keyword ideas and useful long-tail keywords. I believe most of us have heard about SEMRush, and it's definitely one of my favorite. It's so well known in the industry, used by a lot of experts. SEMRush does offer both paid and free version, and the free version is great to explore its powerful features if you have a tight budget. Now go to SEMRush.com, sign up for an account if you haven't got one yet. Assume now you have your account created, head over to the Keyword Magic Tool. Type in the same keyword we used, AI writing. Select United States. Now you will see the top 10 related keywords, search volume, keyword difficulty, while the rest are locked as it's a free version. For the CPC, you can probably ignore if you just do it for organic. The best thing about SEMRush Keyword Tool is that it gives you the search intent, which I really like. If you don't know what is search intent, it is what users want to achieve after doing the search. For example, this one, AI writing generator, is a keyword with a commercial keyword intent, meaning the user is searching a product or service option. So you can filter the search intent to target for your content project. Another great thing is you can select different keyword match type to get inspired by other keywords ideas and also questions. Although the free version only gives you 10 requests per day, which doesn't really fit in our free tool criteria, but still I want to mention because SEMRush Keyword Tool is really great tool, has a high rating in the industry, and because I'm also going to share another tool that is also powered by SEMRush, but without limits. Now let's move on. The next one, the Hoth Keyword Tool. It's a tool for Google keyword research powered by SEMRush, which means the data you get is exactly the same as you get on SEMRush, but without usage limits. Now go to the hoth.com/Google Keyword Planner, or go to its homepage, scroll to the bottom, click Keyword Tool. Type in the keyword, again let's use AI writing, hit enter. And here's the results. Note you can select the desired Google search engine in 4 countries. US, Canada, UK, and Australia. The default is google.com. So from the results, you will get the top 50 related keywords with all the data you need. Search volume, search intent, keyword difficulty. The column results refers to how many search results on Google for this keyword, which gives you an idea on how popular this keyword is. The CPC and COM refers to the bidding cost and competition for Google Ads, so we can ignore for now. The best thing I like is that you can even track the search trend for these keywords, so you can consider the volume, difficulty score, trend to get some good keywords to target and write content. If you want to get more results, you can click here, load more results, and get the top 100 keywords with data. You can even export it as a CSV file for free, so don't miss out this tool. The next one, Keyword Server. It's a Chrome extension developed by Server. So Server is getting popular right now. It's an all-in-one platform for keyword research, content creation, SEO, and optimization. And this Chrome extension will give you the search volume, a list of related keywords ideas with overlap score, and allows you to analyze the search results. Now go to serverseo.com/keyword server extension, or you can directly search Keyword Server on Google and click the first result. Now click Add to Chrome and continue the installation. Once it's installed, it will be automatically enabled. Now go to Google search, type in your keyword, let's say AI writing, and you will see the enhanced search result page with data about the keyword directly shown on the search bar for this keyword, and also the CPC bidding cost. On the right-hand side of the search result page, you also get a list of related keyword ideas with search volume, and you can change the country here to United States to get the US search engine data. For this overlap, percentage is the percentage of search results that rank for the same keyword you just type in. You can choose to show more per page. If you want to export the keywords, just take the checkbox for the keyword you like or select them all, and they will be added to the collection clipboard. Then you can click this little clipboard icon and you can download the keyword file immediately. Another bonus is you can see the number of words, exact keyword count, title change for each search result page, which is useful as part of your content research process if you want to analyze how to rank on other top results. The only downside of this tool is that first, it's only available on Chrome, And second, I would say is the search volume data discrepancy. For example, for this keyword AI writing, it shows 40K search volume, which is way higher than what we get from a Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMRush. So I would doubt if it provides accurate data volume. So you should try more keywords and see. But overall, it's a super cool free tool that gives you perspective rather than just the search volume. Our next tool, SpyFu Keyword Tool. SpyFu is another SEO and PPC tool, giving you data around keywords, backlinks, competitor analysis, and a lot more. It has a free version where you can test out its features with limited results, but the free version already gives you great values if you want to have another data source for your keyword research. Now go to SpyFu.com, type in your keyword, let's say AI writing, select United States and click search. Now you will see the results on the keyword overview tab. The monthly search volume, the top 5 related keywords and questions with search volume. You will also get the organic keyword difficulty here. As you scroll down, you also get other related topics or keywords that rank for, and the top 10 organic search result analysis. You can even go deeper by clicking other tabs like backlinks, search analysis that give you the top 100 organic results analysis with domain string. For other tabs, I have tried but not much insights, but you can try yourself to see if you get any good insights. So for a free version like this, it's pretty comprehensive. I definitely recommend it. Again, a little concern is the search volume accuracy. So for this keyword AI writing, the average search volume we got from the previous tool is at least around 20K. And so there's a quite discrepancy with SpyFu, and also it does feel a bit low to me as well, given AI writing is a really hot search term right now with over 200K monthly search volume globally. But it's still a great tool to explore more and to bookmark, and there is no usage limits as long as I'm aware of. The next one, Google Trends. Probably you have heard about Google Trends. It's a powerful tool by Google to identify trending topics. And this is a must-have tool when it comes to my top list of free keyword research tool. Because although it doesn't provide any search volume data or difficulty scores, it's super useful for me to find any on-trend keywords or topics, or just to further expand my keyword ideas that I got from other keyword research tools. And it's completely free and accurate. Let me show you now. Go to trends.google.com, select United States, and type in your keyword or topic. For example, from the previous tool, I see a potential keyword, AI writing tools, and I want to see how the trends to determine if it's a good keyword with good search demand. Now select a data period to the past 5 years so it can better illustrate the trend over time. And note you can also check for the YouTube search as well. Now you can see the trend is pretty good. It's definitely a trending keyword. And now you can even compare 2 keywords from your list. For example, we can try AI writing detector. And so to see how the interest level compare. So in this example, you can see AI writing detector is seem a better keyword in terms of the trend and search demand. But of course, we need to consider the keyword difficulty as well to determine if any good chance to rank for this keyword. And to find some more related search for your keywords, scroll down to the related queries section, and you will see other related keywords that is also trending right now. So make sure you bookmark the Google Trends tool when you want to find some trending or popular keywords or topic that you want to rank for. The next one, keywordtool.io. Keywordtool.io is a free keyword research tool that leverages the autocomplete features to generate a list of long-tail keyword ideas. Although its free version has locked the search data, I still find it useful when I really need some inspiration to expand my keyword ideas. And the best thing about it is provide the keyword ideas across a lot of platforms such as Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even Pinterest and Etsy. Now go to keywordtool.io, select the platform you want to get the keyword data from. Let's use Google search. Type in AI writing. Pick United States in the country dropdown. Click search. Now you can see a list of keyword ideas generated using the autocomplete features. And most of the search volume data is masked because it's a free version. But if you like any of these keyword ideas, you can select them, copy them to a clipboard, or directly export them into an Excel or CSV file, which is a really useful feature if you want to import them into other tools as part of your research process. As I said, the best thing about it is you can get more keyword inspiration by querying for other search platforms like Instagram. So you have a holistic view on your keyword or topic list if you have multiple publishing platforms to repurpose your content for. Again, the only concern is about the search volume accuracy. Like some of the previous tools, I found it has quite a discrepancy with Google search volume data, so you may want to take note of it when you use it. But overall, it's a great free tool when you're stuck with keyword ideas, and you can always cross-check the search volume using other tools that I have already mentioned, or you can explore its paid version to see if it really suits you. The final one, which is a bonus, the free Keyword Difficulty Checker from Ahrefs. Double-checking the difficulty score for your keywords is super important, because at the end, you want to stand a chance to rank high on search engines, right? A keyword with a high difficulty score will make it really difficult for you to rank, especially if your domain authority score is low. Now go to ahrefs.com/keyword difficulty, or again, you can access the tool from its homepage folder. Type in the keyword, let's say AI writing detector. So you can see it has a difficulty score of 80, which is super hard to rank on search engine unless the domain has a high authority score and lots of backlink. So in this case, it's not a really good choice of keywords to write content for. And my recommendation is try to aim to get a difficulty score no more than 30 to stand a good chance unless your site domain has a lot of backlinks and high authority score. And if you just have a fresh domain with really low authority, aim for an even lower keyword difficulty score that is no more than 10. So this tool is completely free and you can check as many keywords as you like. And I definitely recommend it if you haven't subscribed to the paid version yet, but still you want to get an accurate keyword difficulty score for your keyword ranking strategy. Alright, obviously there's still a lot of great and completely free keyword research tools out there, and I hope you find them useful as much as I did. One thing is, I cannot promise these tools are for free forever, so make sure you check them out now. Pick those that suit you the most, or if you want, you can use them all in your keyword research process. For most of these tools, the paid version is always better if you want to unlock more comprehensive data or insights and getting serious about up-leveling your SEO and content strategy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other free keyword research tool that you would like to recommend, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.